welcome sa YouTube channel ko. This is Jerry Mendoza. So we're making a breaded fish with your gravy. So I'll show you all this. Ito yung ating fish. We have slice fish that I dip it in an egg first, and then flour. Dip it in flour. But our fish is already marinated with salt and pepper and lemon before I dip it there. And then put it in the egg again. And then put it in the breadcrumbs. Roll it in the breadcrumbs. Yes, and just prepare like this for our breaded fish. So please watch my video making my breaded fish. This is a very simple recipe. And do it the same again. Put it in the egg and put it in the flour. A regular flour would be do, and then put it again in the egg. Yeah, but remember your fish should be marinated at least 30 minutes with the salt and pepper and lemon, so it will be more taste. So I'll put all the ingredients at the end of the video. So I'll just write. Now our all bread are ready. So well, let's fry now. So we have a pound of butter. Just melt the butter. So we're making a gravy first for our fish. So this is how I make the gravy. Just melt the butter and put 4 cups of flour. And put 4 cups of water and chicken stock. Put 2 spoons of chicken stock, like 3 spoons of chicken stock. So just keep it mixing it. So I put a little bit of water more. That's why. Yeah. So keep mixing it so it will be thickened. So it will be more like a gravy taste now, a gravy thing now. So now my brown gravy for the breaded fish is almost ready. So I'll show you now how to fry the fish now, and then we'll put the gravy now. So we start frying the fish. So I just heat the cooking oil now, and then we'll put the fish that we marinated with the breaded fish. So we put one by one like that. So it's easy. It's easy recipe. This is all the fish that we breaded in put it in the egg and put it in breadcrumbs. So we fry it for like 10 minutes each side. So it will be more crispy and crunchy. So yeah, let's fry it, and I show you all of this. Thanks for watching. So it's almost ready. So when it become brownish, and then it's already almost done. So just keep it frying like this until golden brown. Now it's ready. Let's put the gravy. So now our fried fish is ready. So here's it. It's very crunchy and very tasty. Let's put the gravy now on the top, and let's put it like that, and put it all the gravy, and let's put the sesame seed on top so it would look nice. So thanks for watching. This is our breaded fish is almost ready. Thank you very much. It look tasty. Ang sarap. Kain na tayo. So this is our breaded fish. Thank you. And let's eat now. Thank you for watching. Wow, ang sarap. Thank you for watching.